Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Messenger on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply heading into our Play Store and then clicking search. Note that if you do not have a signed-in Google account onto your device, you won't be able to follow up. So I would strongly advise you to add a Google account. And if you are struggling with that, you can always watch our How to Add Google account onto OnePlus Nord 5 right now. Anyway, after you have done that, you can now enter search bar and simply start typing in Messenger. Generally speaking, you want to avoid whatever is in the sponsored applications, since this is not normal Messenger application. This is a Messenger application, and if you have trouble actually detecting which one is real, which one not, the Messenger application is usually made by Meta Platforms, which is the platform that also made Facebook Lite, and all of that. And then it has 5 billion downloads, which is probably means that this is the real application. Now you can simply hit install, and after the app is installed, you will be able to log in into your Meta account and you simply contact whatever you have, friends, family, whoever. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.